I love you more. What? Apartment. What?
I swear to God.
You swear to God what? You got puke again? Well, unfortunately, you're not moving. Oh, that's my shoe! I love my shoe. No juicy shoe. No. Oh, that's good. Put the head in the box. Liz sleep in an Ice Mountain box. This is classy. This is classy. I'm sleeping on your futon too. Is she puking in the Ice Mountain box? This is awesome. I don't have to hold you up anymore.